I'm going to flip the boom, since the current installation causes to hit the garage door opener and restricts its movement. Somehow I missed that when I first installed it. The boom is used to support the vacuum hose, keeping it elevated and clear of the work surface. It's positioned over the center of the table to provide consistent reach across the workface. I used to have the hose wrapped around the boom, but reduced the length significantly, so I'm taking this opportunity to install these 3D printed hose holders. The vacuum hose is routed through the boom and allowed to hang freely. I'm making sure that it can reach every area of the shop. I'm demonstrating these connectors that I got on Amazon, that I use it to connect to different tools, and this contraption that I built with some parts from a vacuum. Now it's time to clean up the shop with a new setup. Thank you very much for listening, and see you soon.